Hey guys, welcome to the video. We got a Noco Genius 2 and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So basically what this thing does is a trickle charger and also charges and maintains your car battery. It charges lead acid and lithium batteries to replenish lost battery power. So my Jeep Grand Cherokee, it does sit in the garage 5 days a week mostly, so it's like a weekend getaway car kind of thing. And I drive it here and there during the week. So it's good to maintain that battery at 12 volts, not 14 volts, 12 volts. So that way, whenever you go to start the vehicle, it starts strong every single time. So this is the Noco Genius 2, so it's a 2 amp charger. So what's in the box? It has a charger plus the interchangeable connectors. It also has the battery clamps, integrated eyelets. So super strong clamps to put on your battery if needed. These will be going on the terminals. I may or may not have to buy the kit for the terminals because the ends may just be too big for it. And then it is backed by a 3-year warranty. That being said, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and then we'll show you how it's all set up. Okay, so in the box you get the charger, the Noco charger, and then you got instructions in the manual. Do make sure you read it whenever you're hooking up the battery for the first time. We got the charger, we have the connector with a watertight seal, and then you have the long extension cable, and you have the device itself. So then you have a 12 volt charger, and then it has lithium or AGM battery, and then you have a 6 volt if you have a 6 volt battery. I will go through all the modes once I have it all set up and I know exactly how to do it. And then you also have the clamps to put onto the battery. The clamps right here, a positive, negative, and then you also have that connector with a, I think, 20 amp fuse. I don't remember, don't quote me on it, but it works fine with the battery. Alright, I'll do a voiceover of this section. So whenever you're connecting the Noco charger to the vehicle, you want to make sure that you connect the terminals first. It does not matter which one you do put on because all this stuff is internal to the Noco. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and plug in the device. So once you plug in the device, you will see that the Noco will have a orange standby light. That orange standby light means that it is working, or it's too low a voltage for the charger to detect. That means your battery is at like 0.1%. And there's a force override mode for that as well in the manual. Basically what I go over here is setting up the terminals itself, and then I go ahead and start the process of connecting it. So whenever you're charging the charger, you want to make sure you figure out which battery you actually have. That is a wet lead acid battery, or a AGM battery, which the Jeep Grand Cherokee does have, or use the 12 volt lithium battery. And then you can put your charger into a force mode or have it in 6 volt mode. After that, you will see, once you have your battery selected, you will see percentage. So 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Usually if the battery is fully charged, you'll see those go up very quickly. It will start from 25%. Just because your battery is at 100% doesn't mean it doesn't start there. It will start at 25% and then it will quickly raise up. If your battery is like low, it will go slowly because it is a 2 amp charger. So once it is at 100%, it will go into a maintenance mode. So it will cause the
green illuminated LED to show up, and will charge your battery and maintain it over the period of the charging. So whenever you're done and want to disconnect the cables from the vehicle, go ahead and take out the electric plug, and then you want to take off the terminals of the vehicle. It doesn't matter which one you unplug. Just go ahead and unplug the negative first and then the positive, and you should be good to go. Any other questions, do feel free to put them down in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.